That's a big one. Reel down. Easy. Easy. Reel down. Woo! Look at that run. Let him run. Let him still off that reel. Good work. There we go. Reel down. What's up, buddy? There you go. Reel down. Nice. Good work. Okay, reel down, reel down, reel down. Easy. Oh, it's a big keeper. Fuck. Back up in the boat, okay, bud? Back up in the boat. Slowly walk back. Walk back. Easy on the rod. Easy on the rod. Pull him this way. What way? This way. Towards that. Swing the rod. Don't pull. Swing the rod this way. Steer him this way. There you go. Good job. There you go. That one's on a pond. He's had two on that spinner. Yeah, and then the one we got just a minute ago is on there. Quick. Get up there. It's last day of the season. Who gives a shit? Get up there. Or right next to us. I saw you guys get one right when we were here. I wouldn't move then. Fuck.
Hey, swim still.
Okay, bring it over to this side of the boat. Keep it away. There you go. I'm going to turn the boat, okay?
Yeah.
There you go, reel down. Easy, reel down. Reel down. Beat. That's a big fish, though.
Ooh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Nice work. I slacked it. Big fish. Nice fish, bro. Good work. Hooks are out already. Look at that.
Sweet.
Hey, your job. That's holding it.